It's been a year, and my hair looks amazing. And in my travels, because I'm in the aesthetic industry, I've been very open about what I've done, and I show a lot of people, and they'll look and they'll say, well, number one, I can't tell, all right, because it looks so natural. In fact, I was at a plastic surgery show in November of this last year, and there were surgeons who came and looked at my hair and said, we can't tell. And so it looks so darn natural that, to me, a great procedure like this, right, it has to look natural. People know I don't think it's great, and so it is fantastic, right? So what I tell everyone is, it's the truth, right? Dr. Danyo's the best. Where other facilities, don't have the doctor, right? He is doing the actual procedure, and that means so much. People are confident and they love that, he's doing it. I feel the same.